Hey, editors, looking to take your edits to the next level with football color corrections in CAPCUT Pro? You're in luck. In this video, I'll show you how to transform your edits with stunning football color corrections, just like in After Effects. Stick around until the end, because I've got a special surprise for you. That is CAPCUT Pro.